The Grape Solar GS150 kit is a 150-watt DC charging kit, ideal for battery charging, gate openers, electric fences, and more low power draw applications. This is a very simple plug-and-play kit that only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to assemble. To begin assembly, please make sure all components from the kit are counted and laid out in front of you. Safety should always come first. Please completely cover your Grape solar panel with cardboard or other light-blocking material to prevent electricity production during assembly. Mount your panel to your desired south-facing location using the convenient pre-drilled mounting holes. Next, mount your Grape Solar PWM 165-watt charge controller in a weatherproof location, either indoors or within a weatherproof enclosure. This kit includes enough cable for a 7-foot run between your panel and charge controller. Use the mounting bracket for desired flush or surface mount. Place your separately purchased deep cycle battery within 5 feet of the charge controller. Attach the lug end of the red cable to the positive terminal on the battery and the bare end to the battery positive input on the charge controller. Attach the lug end of the black cable to the negative terminal on the battery and the bare end to the battery negative input on the charge controller. If your battery charge is higher than 11.5 volts, your charge controller's LCD screen should display. Disconnect the branch connector pair since we'll be using them separately. Gather the positive leads coming from 2 solar panels. Connect them into the inputs of the first branch connector. Repeat this step for the negative leads using the second branch connector. Identify the positive lead coming from the third solar panel and output of the first positive branch connector. Connect them into the inputs of the third branch connector to create a joint positive output from 3 solar panels. Repeat the step for the negative leads using the fourth branch connector. Now you have a parallel solar array ready to go. Cut the 15-foot cable in half to make 2 7.5-foot MC4 to bare cables. Connect the 2 7.5-foot cables to the positive and negative outputs of your solar array. Mark or tape the positive cable to keep track of polarity. Locate the solar terminals on the Grape Solar PWM 165-watt charge controller. Connect the positive and negative bare wire ends of the solar array output cables to their respective terminal blocks. Now that you have connected all the components of your system to your deep cycle battery, you can go ahead and uncover your solar panels. Thank you for watching this installation video. At Grape Solar, we believe clean power should be accessible and affordable to everyone. If you have any comments or feedback, feel free to visit our website or call our toll-free number for live customer service. Have a great day.